Welcome to video 2 from the lab. I'm Joe. Today, I'm showing you 2 different ways to use AI while browsing the internet. If you use Microsoft Edge, you already have AI built right into your browser with Copilot. If you're using Google Chrome, I'll show you how to pair it with ChatGPT to do the same thing. At the end of this video, you'll be able to take any web page and instantly get a summary, ask questions about it, and even have it read it out loud to you. All steps and questions will be in the description. Let's get into it. First, we'll start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once we have Microsoft Edge open, we're going to go ahead and go to a page we are interested in. So this first page is what is artificial intelligence, definitions, uses, and types. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty lengthy page here. Oh, and great pop-ups. So we could read through this whole material. It might take us a couple minutes here, but if you want this material on the go and actually get AI's insight on it, you can simply click this chat button here to open up a Microsoft Copilot tab. And how it is embedded here in Microsoft Edge is it detects whatever page it is on the left side of the screen here. So this is still all one web page, as we can see, except now we now have Microsoft Edge, we have Microsoft Copilot here on the right side. So we can just go ahead and have it with a pre-made prompt here. Click that and we'll summarize the main points on the page. And it's detecting everything on this left side of the page here, and it is actually already summarizing it. It's reading through all the information for us and going ahead and getting us a summary. We can have it even read it out loud to us.
Here's a clean, structured summary of the main points from the Coursera page you're viewing. What is artificial intelligence? Key takeaways: AI computer systems performing tasks requiring human intelligence, such as reasoning, decision-making, pattern recognition, and language understanding. Today's AI mostly refers to machine learning-powered systems, not true human-level intelligence. Machine learning is the most common form of AI in use today. Understanding AI helps individuals leverage it in work and personal life. What AI?
As you can see, that is pretty much working as an assistant for us that will allow us to have all the information read out to us here. And if we want, we can even ask more in-depth questions. I have a couple pre-made questions here. Just go with the what are the three most important things I need to understand here. Go ahead and get that question inserted. As you can see, we're able to have it elaborate for us even more. This is one of the very best use cases of working with AI. We don't have it replace the thinking for us. We have it help us elaborate about the information more, so we can take it more in depth and customize it to what we're actually trying to learn from it. So you can see, and this is Microsoft Edge, so we have Microsoft Copilot actually already embedded here. So this is one of the best use cases for actually using Microsoft Edge. Most people use Google Chrome, which I'll demonstrate here momentarily. But I got another tab here that we're going to go to. Now, what we're going to do here is, oh, lovely, links and ads all over the place. Don't we love those? Now, what we can do is we can simply put in the same prompt here, summarize the main points on this page, and now that we're on a different tab, as you can see, once I select between these two, whichever tab we have selected, it will actually be able to detect that tab. So once we do a summary of this page, it's going to summarize this new page here for us. See, it's even able to detect that this is not a single article. It's a homepage style feed. So it goes over a lot of different things here. Now we can combine this. I'm just using this as a demonstration here, but if you have multiple different web pages you're interested in your viewing, let's say you don't have the time to read through 10 different web pages, you can just go and list them all off through here and have each one, once you have it selected, simply say summarize the main points of this page, and it's going to detect this new page for us here. And we can even have it do something like how to combine all this info, and we'll be able to take both pages or however many web pages you use there and combine all that info for us. This is a workflow slash use case I've been using for quite some time, and I've saved so many hours, I have to say, honestly probably even years at this point, of being able to take multiple web pages and having it summarize them all and condense the data, run across analysis on it, and reveal a lot of things that aren't just on one web page. But now that we have that out the way, we're going to go ahead and show you how to do the same thing here in Google Chrome. So we're just going to go ahead and open up a Google Chrome tab. Once we have that, we're going to navigate to the web page we would like to view. Once we have that, I'm just going to go ahead and make a second window here. Are. Navigate to ChatGPT. I'm just putting in a pre-made prompt I made here for myself, just so it does not reveal any of my proprietary information. I work on a lot of different projects and services, so just want to make sure it's treating me like a new user. Now, one way to get all this information here is we'll simply be able to do I call it a keystroke. I'm on a Windows computer. It could vary if you're on a Windows or a Mac. I'll have all those descriptions here in the video. But for Windows users, you hit Ctrl A and see it selects all the information here on the page for us, just as so. And you can paste it in here. And now it's going to go ahead and just give us a clean, concise summary of the whole web page we're viewing here. And while this is building for us, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the next web page that we would like to see, such as AI in the workforce, or perfect. Let's see, I'll just choose, I want to choose a sponsored result, that's no fun. This one's a little dated, but we'll go ahead and go with this. So you can see here, we have a full concise summary of that page while we were actually spending time going to another page figuring out what information we want to combine. And now we can just have this read it out loud to us as well.
Here is a clear, concise summary of the article you provided. What is artificial intelligence? Summary never. 1. Definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, identifying patterns, solving problems, generating text or images. AI is an umbrella term that includes several technologies like machine learning, ML, systems that learn patterns from data, deep learning, advanced.
And just for the sake of time, I'm not going to play the whole recording here, but I think you get the gist of it, is that you can have it read it out loud to you, unlike the inconvenience of having to read through the whole page. And now we have our second web page over here. So let's say we want to combine these two articles, not only what is artificial intelligence, but how will AI affect the workplace? So once again, I'm hitting Control A on my Windows PC here. Oop. And I'm copying all the text and pasting it in here. And as you can see, now we are having our Goldman Sachs webpage here being summarized for us. And now that we have two different web pages, there's a couple different things we could do here, but I'll just go ahead and give it a simple question. So based on both these web articles, we can say, what should I do next based on what this says? And as you can see, it's detecting based on the 2 articles he provided, the most practical next steps is focus on preparing for a workforce where AI increases productivity and automates certain tasks, but also creates new opportunities, and gives us a very nice explanation from the info it took from both those articles there. So this is a workflow I've been using for the past couple of years with AI. It has helped me save so much time and honestly so much money. And always like to help try to educate others that may not be using similar workflows or might be stuck just reading an article, only 5 minutes may not be that long, but when you can cover about 10 to 20 articles within the same time of 5 minutes, that you start saving a lot of time there. But that'll conclude the video for today. Steps will be in the description. Go ahead and give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and hope the best for you. You take care.